Welcome to our video about olives. Olives are a delicious and nutritious fruit that has been enjoyed for centuries around the world. In this video, we will delve into the history and cultivation of olives and the various types and uses of this versatile ingredient. Whether you are a fan of olive oil or tapenade or just love snacking on olives, there is something for everyone to learn in this video. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Olives are small, oval-shaped fruits that grow on olive trees. They have been cultivated for thousands of years and are a staple food in many Mediterranean countries. Olives are a rich source of monounsaturated fats, which are thought to be beneficial for heart health. In addition to their culinary uses, olives have a long history of use in traditional medicine and are believed to have many health benefits. The olive tree is native to the Mediterranean and the Middle East regions and has been cultivated for at least 5,000 years. Olives are traditionally grown in countries such as Spain, Italy, Greece, and Turkey, but are now also grown in other parts of the world, including the United States and South America. Olives are harvested by shaking the trees or by handpicking the fruit. The olives are then cured in brine or dry cured to remove their bitter taste and preserve them. There are many different varieties of olives, which can vary in size, color, and flavor. The most common types of olives are green, black, and brown. Green olives are usually picked when they are unripe, while black olives are left to ripen on the tree before they are harvested. Brown olives are a mixture of green and black olives that have been cured together. Olives can be eaten as a snack or used as an ingredient in various dishes, such as salads, pizzas, and pasta sauces. One of the main health benefits of olives is that they are a rich source of monounsaturated fats, which are thought to be beneficial for heart health. Monounsaturated fats are known to lower LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol that can build up in the artery, and increase the risk of heart disease. In addition to monounsaturated fats, olives also contain many other nutrients, including vitamin E, iron, and calcium. The olive tree is one of the oldest known cultivated trees in the world. The olive tree is considered sacred in many cultures and has been associated with wisdom, purity, and strength. In Greek mythology, the olive tree was a gift from the goddess Athena, who presented it to the city of Athens. The world's largest olive tree is believed to be over 2,000 years old and is located in the town of Alcona in Spain. The tree is over 50 feet tall and has a trunk circumference of over 50 feet. The process of curing olives involves soaking them in a solution of water and salt to remove the bitterness and soften the flesh. The olives can then be stored in brine or oil to preserve them. Olives are often used to make olive oil, which is a popular cooking oil that is used in many dishes around the world. Olive oil is also believed to have health benefits, as it is a good source of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. In some parts of the world, olives are used to make soap and other personal care products. The oil from olives is believed to have moisturizing and cleansing properties and is often used in natural and organic products. Olives have also been used in traditional medicine for centuries. They are believed to have anti-inflammatory properties and have been used to treat a variety of conditions, including arthritis, asthma, and eczema. Some people also use olives to treat skin conditions and promote healthy hair growth. Olives have been used in cosmetics and personal care products for centuries due to their nourishing and moisturizing properties. Olive oil, in particular, is a popular ingredient in many beauty products due to its rich content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is often used as a carrier oil for essential oils and is believed to have anti-aging and skin protective effects when applied topically. In addition to olive oil, olives themselves can be used to make soaps and other skincare products. The high content of fatty acids in olives makes them an effective emollient, helping to keep the skin soft and smooth. While olives are generally considered to be safe and healthy, it is important to be aware of the potential side effects. Some people may be allergic to olives, and consuming large amounts of olives may cause digestive issues, such as bloating and gas. Olives are also high in salt, so it is important to be mindful of your intake if you are on a low-sodium diet. Additionally, the processing methods used for olives can impact their nutritional value. For example, olives that have been cured in brine may contain higher levels of sodium than dry-cured olives. In terms of cultivation, olive trees are hardy and can tolerate a range of soil and climate conditions. They are typically grown in Mediterranean climates, but can also be grown in other parts of the world with the proper care. Olive trees can live for hundreds of years and are resistant to pests and diseases, making them a sustainable crop. When it comes to cooking with olives, there are endless possibilities. They can be added to salads, used as a topping for pizzas and sandwiches, or included in pasta sauces and tapenades. Olives can also be used to make olive oil, which is a popular cooking oil in many parts of the world. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and has several health benefits when consumed in moderation. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us out and encourages us to keep creating more content. Thanks again for your support.